Remember everyone, at 6 a.m. also de-energized, but remember I got a little bit entertained doing the little testing with the meters. Okay, so now we're gonna do the last IPM. Alright, before the end of second week. Okay, well yeah, so let's do this. Alright, I'll just put it in, I'll edit in. I'll put some captions, some words. Exact what date is it, since I flipped to flower. Alright everyone, last IPM. Alright, so I'm just gonna pump it, spray it, and then I'm only gonna do halfway. And that's it. Alright everyone. I don't know if you guys could tell. Let's see. It's right there. So once I get to the halfway mark, I'm stopping. Alright.